Hi, hello, and welcome, beautiful people. My name is Dariel, but you can call me Teacher Lee. I am from the very beautiful country of the Philippines. I am a former English as a second language teacher for Korean students for both online and face-to-face classes where I offered demonstrative and engaging academic sessions for my students. I have a degree in Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, and recently I passed the examination as a certified tourism professional and as a certified guest service professional. In my teaching experience, I want to create a safe learning space and environment between me as a teacher and the students for them to nurture their English proficiency and converse them to all the people around the world and use the English language as their advantage in their chosen profession. I hope to see you and get to know more about your culture, and we can talk more about your daily life situations. Once again, my name is Teacher Lee and I hope to see you soon in our class.